If you need to export a Lucidchart diagram to PowerPoint, this quick tutorial will walk you through the full process step by step. Whether you're building a presentation for work, school, or a client meeting, this is a simple way to move your diagram into slides without confusion. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Let's get started. First, log into your Lucidchart account and open the document you want to export. Make sure the diagram is fully finished before you begin, because whatever is on the canvas is what you'll be bringing into PowerPoint. If needed, take a moment to clean up the layout, check the labels, and make sure everything looks the way you want it to appear in your presentation. Once your diagram is open, look at the top menu and click the 3-line menu icon. This is where Lucidchart keeps several file and export options. From the menu, select Export. After that, Lucidchart will show you a few different file type choices. For PowerPoint, the best options are usually PNG, JPEG, or PDF. If you want the diagram to appear as an image on a slide, PNG or JPEG works well. If you want to preserve a clean visual layout for easier insertion, PDF can also be useful depending on how you plan to use it. Choose the format that best fits your needs, then save the file to your computer. Now open Microsoft PowerPoint. Once PowerPoint launches, create a new blank presentation. Starting with a blank slide gives you full control over where the Lucidchart diagram will appear and makes it easier to arrange the content the way you want. Next, go to the Insert tab on the toolbar. From there, click Pictures. This is the option you'll use to bring the exported Lucidchart file into your slide. Browse your computer and find the file you just saved from Lucidchart. Select it, then click Insert. PowerPoint will place the diagram onto your slide. From here, you can resize it by dragging the corners, and you can reposition it anywhere on the slide to fit your layout. If the diagram is too large or too small, just adjust it until it looks balanced and clear. If your presentation needs more than one diagram or more context, you can add additional slides and repeat the same process. This is especially helpful when you want to present workflows, org charts, process maps, or system diagrams in a clean and professional format. Instead of rebuilding the design manually in PowerPoint, exporting from Lucidchart saves time and keeps your visuals consistent. Once everything looks right, don't forget to save your presentation. You can save it as a PowerPoint file for editing later, or export it in the format your audience needs. And that's it, you've successfully exported Lucidchart to PowerPoint and inserted your diagram into a slide. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.